How to have a successful business on the internet. Greetings, savvy entrepreneurs and digital dynamos. How to have a successful business on the internet. Today, we're diving into the virtual realm to uncover the secrets of a how-to, prosperous online business. Imagine it as the Willy Wonka's chocolate factory of the internet. But instead of golden tickets, we're chasing the golden formula for success. Let's kick off with some detective work. Who's your audience? What's your niche? Think of it as finding your tribe in a sea of internet users. It's like searching for the perfect slice of pizza in a city full of restaurants. You want to stand out, be unique, and make people say, "Yes, this is my kind of pizza." Now, imagine your website as your online superhero costume. It needs to look good, be user-friendly, and leave a lasting impression. If your website were a fashion statement, you'd want it to be the trendiest outfit at a digital fashion show. And don't forget to sprinkle that magic keyword, "How to make my online business successful," tastefully throughout your web pages. It's like adding the secret ingredient to your recipe. SEO is like the Sherlock Holmes of the internet. It helps people find you in the vast digital landscape. So, strategically place those keywords in your content, meta descriptions, and titles. It's like leaving breadcrumbs for your audience to follow straight to your online lair. Social media is your online soir, and you're the life of the party. Engage with your audience, share your content, and sprinkle a bit of your personality. It's like being the DJ at a digital dance party. Play the right tunes, and people will keep coming back for more. Email marketing is the love letter to your customers. Offer them exclusive content, discounts, and sneak peeks. It's like sending a message in a bottle, but way more reliable. Analytics are your secret spy gadgets. Use them wisely. Understand user behavior, traffic sources, and conversion rates. Adapt your strategies based on these insights. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you what your customers want before they even know it. The internet is like a never-ending party. Trends change, new guests arrive, and sometimes the dance moves get wilder. Stay informed, adapt your strategies, and be the Fred Astaire of the online business world, gracefully gliding through the ever-changing digital dance floor. In the grand finale, remember that building a successful online business is a journey, not a destination. So, put on your digital explorer hat, venture into the virtual wilderness, and discover the treasures that await. Are you ready? How about a done-for-you offer, so you can hit the ground running, right from day one? Click on the above link for a free webinar. For such a program, you can start learning and earning today. Thank you for watching.